Alright, few new things. One, we're in Indonesia. Two, it's monsoon season, as one can clearly tell by the blue skies above us. But that shouldn't stop us from kayaking on our way to a river with some water in it. Hopefully some rain this afternoon, and then we can go full of some stouts. But for now, it's gonna be a nice little getting back into it a lap, and yeah, see from there on. So far so good. Remember a few hours ago when I said it was monsoon and it's clear skies out? Well, update.
I won't give no fucks, I won't take no shit. Try to burn me down, get this whole place lit. I won't give no fucks, I won't take no shit. They said they want war, this is it. Let the body drop.
Up top at Eddiline, was about to get ready in my boat and go when I saw sticks floating by and the fucking thing flash flooded. Luckily we saw it last second, but holy shit. Now we're gonna wait a hot minute for the water to come down, see if it changes.
That is so wild. Oh my god. That's ferocious. Oh my god.
It's just fucked up, man. There's like a surf wave at the end of the board. Like, that will not be fun by any means. Well, that's a no for me and Brent today. We're gonna try again tomorrow without the dam opening up in floodgates and creating this uber stout water drop. Oh god. Roller coaster of emotions right here.
There's honestly no one else I'd rather get stuck on an island in the middle of a river during a flash flood than this git.
Say this. If like tomorrow we get the drop, everything is nice and good, then I think this is an amazing chapter to our story. If not, I might be grumpy for an afternoon. Into the jungle.
Here we are again, bud. On an island in the middle of a river, above a waterfall, and the river is rising.
I feel like we've done this before.
Deja vu.
Ready, Brad? I'm not ready to go. Over. Sounds good. Over.
Safe lines, mate. See at the bottom.
Idle hands are the devil's best friend. I got a place for both of them. Come on baby, won't you help me please? Won't you help me down on my knees? I'm a gun, won't you shoot me off? Trigger finger wheel, till I get my happy pill. I'm a gun, won't you pick me off? Trigger finger wheel, oh I want my happy pill.
Thanks for being at the bottom, bro. Really appreciate you.
Copy that, over. I'm packing the walkie-talkie away and then I will be dropping very soon. See you at the bottom, over.
When I lay down in your bed, I get a blood rush to my head. No, I never get to sleep at night, 'cause I'm thinking about you inside. I'm a gun, won't you shoot me off? Trigger finger wheel, till I get my happy pill.
Alright, here we are, about 70 foot lower altitude than a couple minutes ago. This time without getting flash flooded, without being stuck and fucked with snakes. I swam, but it's alright. Every day it's good to kick the trip off. So Dano, fearless leader, ran it yesterday before the flash flood. Today he was on media. He was flying a drone, shooting photos and filming on a normal camera. Without operation. When we first got started, he flew the drone into the trees up there and had to go hiking through the jungle. And what happened, bud?
Oh, just they there's a few fire ants out there, but you know, I did it for you, boys.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Alright.
Well, made it to Indonesia. Pretty sick so
The
far.
only country that someone would willingly give Brent their car.
I've driven yours. What? I've driven your car. You left it at the airport for me. Big fan of the radio station.
The gear there, eh, bud?
It's just so hard to get it in sometimes.
Come on, rocket! Come on, get your rocket!
The jet lag struggle is real.
Kesini mah baru mas ya? Catat 3 kali mas?